This video will demonstrate the various uses of the quality attribute and requirement reports using our new peptide sample project. This project is available in your sandbox environment for exploration. To see the requirement reports available, navigate to the Reports tab within your project. Then use the Requirements filter to narrow down the list of available reports. These types of reports are especially significant during the design and development stage of a drug product or substance. As your knowledge and process understanding increases, these reports provide a structured and consecutive way to visualize your project. First, we will explore the QTPP Summary Report. The nature of a quality attribute or requirement can change throughout the manufacturing process in terms of its impact on the quality, safety and efficacy of the final product. This report provides a table of all your quality attributes, their upper and lower specification limits as well as the target value, if any. The report also summarizes criticality along with any justifications. The control method column is where this report differs from other QTPP reports in the industry, as it allows you to illustrate that for critical quality attributes, risk mitigation has been planned with a tested or validated control method. As you can see, the header is consistent with 21 CFR Part 11 and the required information, such as who exported the report and when it was exported, are also automatically generated by the software for audit trail purposes. This is the case for all reports generated via QBD Vision. These reports can be exported as PDF, Word, or Excel documents, making them easily transferable. The next group of reports allow you to view data on the various types of requirements available in QBD Vision beyond just the QTPP. These include detailed, summarized, or historical reports. The requirement reports often serve as interim reports that can be provided along the way, as well as at the very end of your project. For each report, you can view final and intermediate quality attributes, material attributes, and process parameters. Each requirement has limits that must be adhered to in order to be considered acceptable, known as the acceptance criteria, or acceptable qualification limits. This is a significant factor for analytical method development in particular. Any linked documents or references, such as certificates of analysis, are shown in the report. A full explanation is provided for the attribute's risk control, identification and effect on the process capability. The risk assessment carried out on the requirement's criticality impact to the output is also displayed along with the process capability results. As is the case with many industrial processes, the manufacture of various batches and lots can often mean data interactions and patterns are lost between different data sheets. Aggregating raw data and applying statistical methods is the proven way to demonstrate any changes to criticality of an attribute, and the reports are configured to include all raw batch or lot data for full transparency. For visual purposes, within the report, criticality, process risk and RPN are characterized by color depending on the risk impact. Deviations and out-of-specification results can result in many revisions of a document, and so the version history allows you to view these. Next, we will look at the requirements historical summary report. As you can see, the report quickly and concisely shows data changes between major versions. For each area in the record, the table shows the key information from each approved version. This report is designed for viewing data across approved records, so, if a record does not have an approved version, it will show the latest draft only. Last, but not least, we will look at the Requirements Summary Report. This report is a powerful and interactive tool that allows you to group and compare multiple types of requirements. For example, to view key and critical FQAs and IQAs, simply select the appropriate filters at the top of the report. As each selection is made, the report is automatically regenerated with the selected data. The report is ordered by the first column, the requirement type. In another example, a report with only process parameters may be relevant for engineering and production teams that deal primarily with machinery and equipment. These reports can all be generated in under a minute, saving time and providing valuable information quickly from a traceability and process evolution perspective. By using QBD Vision, you no longer need to make changes in an Excel document, then go back into Word to record the changes as to why. Consequently, it saves you time from having to collate the information between those two documents. QBD Vision just does it all for you. That wraps up the basics of what you need to know about our various requirements reports. If you have any questions or input on how we can make QBD Vision work harder for you or your team, please let us know by using the feedback button.